Hi, within this lecture, we're going to see what is dark web, okay? And actually, this section is all about dark web and deep web, and it has nothing to do with the following sections. So we're not gonna use dark web or deep web anyway in our penetration testings. And later on, we're going to learn how to write Python softwares, Python ethical hacking tools, and we're not gonna use dark web and deep web in those sections as well. But we have to learn this in order to be able to browse the dark web when it's necessary. And what is dark web? Let me tell you all about it. And then we're going to discuss why is it necessary to learn this. So we have the visible web like Facebook, Gmail, Google.com, okay? So everyone can reach these websites within their regular browsers like Chrome, Opera, Safari, and others. However, on top of that, there are some websites called deep web that require some special tools to reach them, okay? So you have to use a specific browser, or you have to use some specific passwords or other extensions in order to reach them. So deep web, you should not think deep web is the place that we hide the dirty stuff, okay? They hide the dirty stuff in dark web. So in deep web, we have some websites, but they are not visible to the general public. For example, it could be a government website where you have to go with password and usernames. So the general concept is the web, and visible web is open to everyone, and deep web, they are not open to everyone. And when we talk about dark web, we really refer to dirty stuff, okay? So people selling drugs, people sharing new ethical or non-ethical hacking things, people stealing money from each other, people selling stolen credit cards. So this is where the dark stuff, this is where the dirty stuff is hidden inside the web. And you need special browsers and special extensions like .onion rather than .com in order to reach it. So what good will it do to learn about dark web? The cybersecurity specialist should go to dark web and browse the dark web whenever it's necessary. For example, if you're working for a bank, you might want to check on that stolen credit cards selling on dark web, okay? And if you're a cybersecurity researcher, then you might want to go to dark web to browse the forums, to browse the chat rooms, and learn about the latest rumors, latest attacks on the dark web. So it's not a place to waste time, but it is a place where you have to learn how to get into at least, because you may need it in your career at one point. And this is a little vague to you right now, I know, but in the next lecture we're going to learn how to download the special tools and how to reach to the dark web, and it will be more clear to you after that. So let's stop here and continue within the next lecture.